Pineapple. The surprising health benefits of pineapple, nature's tropical medicine. Palm tree. Sweet, juicy, and bursting with tropical flavor, pineapple isn't just a delicious treat. It's a superfruit packed with nutrients your body will love. Whether you enjoy it fresh, in smoothies, or grilled with your favorite dishes, this golden fruit brings more to the table than you might think. Sun with Face 1. Boosts your immune system. Loaded with vitamin C, pineapple helps strengthen your immune defenses, keeping colds, flu, and fatigue at bay. 1 cup gives you more than 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. Flexed Biceps 2. Eases inflammation naturally. Pineapple contains bromelain, a powerful enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory effects. It can help reduce joint pain, muscle soreness, and even speed up recovery after workouts. Red Heart 3. Supports heart health. The antioxidants and fiber in pineapple work together to reduce bad cholesterol levels and support healthy blood circulation, helping your heart stay strong and young. Herb 4. Aids digestion. That same bromelain enzyme also helps your body break down protein, making digestion smoother and reducing bloating after big meals. Sparkles 5. Promotes radiant skin. The vitamin C and antioxidants in pineapple support collagen production, giving your skin a natural glow while protecting it from damage caused by free radicals. Hibiscus in short. Pineapple isn't just a fruit, it's tropical medicine disguised as dessert. So next time you crave something sweet, skip the candy bar and grab a slice of sunshine instead. Pineapple Sun.